So fam, I got a question for you. Have you been working on a project and you just hit a creative bump? I mean, you've been getting it in creatively and then all of a sudden, bam, everything just stops and you don't realize or you don't understand what's going on. Yeah, that's happened to me a lot of times. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys a easy way to get over the creative hump. And it's basically by creatively tracing over your reference. Now this is not a one-to-one, which basically you trace everything, you just make a copy. No, this is actually using a picture, a reference picture, to spark your imagination. Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how this is going to work. Really? Let's go. Hey, what's up fam? So last week I was working on the coloring book project and everything was going pretty good. I was really getting it in, and then all of a sudden I had to draw this page in which it was a training room scene with beat machines and computers and all that type of stuff, and mine just went blank. I don't know what happened. It happens all the time, guys. So what I did to combat that was I decided to go ahead and get a reference drawing and trace over it. Now once again, the idea behind getting a reference picture and tracing over it is not to do a one-to-one, but it's just to help spark your imagination so that you can kind of get over that hump and get on to the next page, the next page, and the next page. It's a trick that I've seen a lot of artists use. A lot of older artists use this trick, and it used to be way harder because they had the Xerox stuff and all that type of stuff, and then put it on a light table, all that junk. Now we can just take our reference into whatever program you use, Photoshop, Clip Paint Studio, Illustrator, do what you got to do. And that's exactly what I did. So basically, I had to draw this training room. It wasn't working. I went to find reference pictures of what I was looking for. When I found the right picture, oh man, it's like a light bulb went off in my brain. All of a sudden, imagination starts running, and that's when I knew I had the right shot, right angle, everything. And now I'm gonna show you guys what I did once I got it into Illustrator. Okay, so once you find the pic that you like, take it into the program of your choice. For me, you all know that's Illustrator. Place the pic how you need it and at a reduced opacity. And then get to tracing. But once again, we're not doing the one-to-one copy of the room. What you're basically going to do is use the room as a template, and you're only going to draw or use for your drawing what is important for you and leave out all the other stuff. You're also going to make whatever additions that you're going to need to make as far as what you're thinking creatively. In this case, I extended the room by just following the lines on the back wall. I turned the massage tables to the left into desks for the beat machines. And I used the tables on the right to help me position where my ridiculously huge supercomputer was going to be placed. Alright guys, so that's it. So basically, just to summarize one more time, just by using that picture, that reference picture to help get me going, that helped me power through that layout that was really giving me a hard time and get that done. And on top of that, if I ever have, once I go to finish it, and if I have any issues with any of the logistics, it's going to be easy because I've got the original picture as the bottom layer, and I can just look at that and make any corrections that I need to make, or I can use that to help me make any corrections that I need to make. And that's pretty much the best route to go. So that's just one of the many cheats that I use to help me deal with any kind of creative block, or if I need to meet a deadline which is looming. And we always have deadlines that are looming. So That being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and give it the big thumbs up. Once again, the big thumbs up is the likes, and the likes are the lifeblood of this channel. So definitely like, share, and hit that bell icon. That's going to let you guys defeat the YouTube algorithm. If you guys are new here and you're liking what you're seeing so far, I'd just like to say, first off, what's up? And please go ahead and subscribe and join our growing family. You guys want to get in touch with me, you know the deal. Instagram, Twitter at DKG72, Facebook fan page, TikTok is David Gordon 72. If you really like what you're seeing and you want to support, I got a Patreon, Patreon/DKG72 Comics, or you can hit any of the links in the description below, and that will help me out because they're affiliate links, and they also have all of the products that we've created here at Foresight Studio, including comic books, notebooks, and coloring books. Alright guys, it's your boy DKG72, and I'm out. Peace.